Today is Jada Kingdom 22nd birthday. Stick around to see how she and her boyfriend celebrate it. Coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now we just want to take this moment to say a happy birthday to Twinkle, right? So big up Jada Kingdom on her birthday. But people, you know, she been dating Versimans for a little while now, and his birthday was yesterday. So his birthday was yesterday and Jada's birthday is today. So them just come together and celebrate one birthday, right? So that's cool to me, you know what I mean, dating somebody who was born a day before or after you. And if you're not born on the same day, that's definitely it in the jackpot. A one party, one expense, and then maybe me pre the wrong thing still. But you know what I mean? It's something that's cool to me. I think it's unique in its own right. You see what I say? And it's just a conversation starter. So big up Versimans for a theme birthday, you know what I mean, a happy birthday to Twinkle. Now people, I would like you to get in the comment section and send her some happy birthday wishes as well. So it only makes sense since theme birthday was yesterday and Fia's birthday was today, you know what I mean, them celebrated on Thursday. So may I have some clips from Thursday what may I go show you. So here goes.
Happy birthday, dear Jada. Happy birthday to you. Yes. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Thank you, baby. Birthday boy.
Salute, excellence, family things. Happy birthday to my brother Verse, my sister Jada.
Woo! More life, more love, more blessings, everybody. Cheers!
Oh, that's so cool. Big birthday blessings.
Yeah man, good time. So the next thing I want to show you people, you know Jada always a professor love for Versimans. She really loving people, I can see it. You know, every time I go up on her Instagram, every time she posts him or nothing, she always I say the most. I do the most. Even remember the video where she say she a yammed for the boy, yeah? Well, him she did a talk about. So I see that picture here with a tattoo where Jada get, right? So Jada got a tattoo, and the tattoo says Verse as in Versimans, right? So that's what she call him, Verse. So we see the tattoo, but people, the tattoo is not new. The date on the tattoo picture say March 9, 2020. So that was a few months ago. But however, you know what I mean, she just posted it look like. And there's also a little caption on it that says, I am from the ghetto where we get your name tattooed when we love the F out of you, LOL. See the people, she says she love him again, like me, I say she always mention that. And we always see them a post up each other and have fun time, big long caption and them thing there. So I say, so I just more powers to them and more blessings. And again, you know what I mean, big them up on them birthday. So yes, people, yesterday Jada post back a picture now with her and Versiman. Because you know yesterday I'm official birthday, even though they celebrated on Thursday together, right? So the caption say, happy birthday to my big body man. I adore you with everything. You're my happy place, my peace, my spine, my inspiration, my motivation and mentor. Thank you for you. I feel so blessed to be celebrating another birthday with you. Due to all me say, me nah know where I go. We're locked in for life. Happy birthday, my hubba bubba. Twinkle, love your bud. Whole heap. Me done you be at Versiman, right? And him reply and him say, look how you're about to make all your male followers block you and me now. Love you, babes. You make me happy, and I'm glad I can do the same for you, right? And even Spice get in on the action, and Spice leave a comment, and she say, watch Black Love. Happy birthday, Twinkle man. Yeah, people. So I don't know what Jada going to do today. You know what I mean? I still a look and I see what I go on. But it look like they go party last night again. So maybe she never wake up yet. But people don't remember getting the comment section saying her some happy birthday wishes. You see me? And if you don't want to big up Versi Man's theme birthday as well, you know what I mean? That's cool too. So yeah, big up all of the Virgo them. You see what I say? It's Virgo season. So if you're celebrating a birthday soon or you celebrate today, happy birthday to you, or your birthday just passed. You see what I say? I don't really know a lot about Virgo still because I'm not a Virgo, but big up on yourself. See? Now, I want to ask people, if you are or ever been in a relationship where you and your partner celebrate on the birthday close, like, you know what I mean, a day before each other on the same day or a day after yours or anything like that. I want to know, like, how to celebrate. If you don't wish to comment that, you know what I mean? So if you feel comfortable commenting that, please go ahead and put in the comment section. Yeah, people, so let's get into a Versiman post today, right? So in post Jada Kingdom, and his caption says, "Since the day we met, we have almost literally been inseparable. I love everything about you, even the things you don't like. You are a special human being, and I am blessed to have you in my life and in my corner. You are beautiful, talented, intelligent, and a fucking hustler. And I admire that about you. There is nobody like you. This is something I'm sure of. I love to see you happy, and it's my job now to make sure that you stay that way. I just want to wish you a happy B-Day, my Virgo queen. God knew what he was doing when he made you. Love you, mama, at Jada Kingdom. P.S. Wake your junk ass up. You ain't staying in bed all day. You must be mad. You like drink? Take junk in your ass." So yeah, people, it look like the man I learned little patwa too. You see me, Jada teach him. But yeah, so like me say, it look like them go out last night, so that him and say she junk. So it's a good way to start your birthday. You know, junk. You can drink all day if you don't start in the morning. You see what I say? So big them up one more time again. And again, people, you know what I mean? If you celebrated your birthday anytime recently, happy birthday to you. Happy belated birthday to you. If you have a birthday coming up soon, you know, happy birthday to you when it comes. If today is your birthday, also happy birthday. And again, the question I was asking, if you dated someone who on a birthday was on the same day, a day before or a day after, how did you celebrate it and what was that like? Because, you know what I mean, I would like to know about that. And, you know what I mean, if that should be something that happened to me in life, yeah, I would accept that gladly. So big up on yourself. Now that brings us to the end of today's video, and I want to say thank you for watching. If it's your first time on this channel and you watch this video, like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, thank you and welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching these videos and making it worthwhile doing these videos. Thank you very much. Now everybody, thank you overall and have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, Tanto Blacks, Yadi.